Ever squint at your bank statement, muttering, "Where'd that fee come from?" Yeah, us too. Fees can feel like sneaky little gremlins, munching away at your hard-earned cash. Especially when it comes to investing, hidden fees can seriously erode your returns. So, if you're a Wealthsimple user, you might be wondering, is there a monster lurking under the bed, aka surprise fees, waiting to gobble up your investment growth? Let's face it, Wealthsimple's whole commission-free trading thing sounds pretty sweet. But we all know in the land of finance, free doesn't always mean free. So, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple's fee structure, uncovering the good, the bad, and the potentially sneaky. First up, let's get the good news out of the way. Wealthsimple does stay true to its commission-free trading claim. You won't be slapped with a fee every single time you buy or sell a stock or ETF. That's a big win, especially for active traders who rack up a lot of transactions. This can save you a significant amount of money compared to traditional brokerages that charge per trade. Here's another perk: Wealthsimple doesn't charge any account maintenance fees. That means you don't have to worry about a monthly or annual fee just for having an account. It might not seem like much, but those fees can add up over time, so it's definitely a plus. Alright, now let's shift gears and talk about where things might get a little less transparent. The main area to watch out for is currency conversion fees. If you're a Canadian investor with your sights set on U.S. stocks, there's a 1.5% fee lurking every time you buy or sell U.S.-listed securities unless you have a USD account. This fee can eat into your returns, especially if you're making frequent trades with smaller amounts. For those who don't mind a bit more commitment, Wealthsimple offers premium plans with USD accounts. These accounts let you hold US dollars and avoid the conversion fee on trades. However, there are monthly fees associated with these plans, so you have to weigh the benefits against the costs to see if it makes sense for you. Another potential fee to be aware of is the foreign exchange fee for withdrawing cash from your investment account to your bank account. This fee can be a hefty 2.5%, so it's definitely not ideal for frequent withdrawals. There are better ways to access your invested cash, like linking your Wealthsimple account to a bank account that allows for free transfers. Here's a heads up for those who like to get fancy with their investing strategies: Wealthsimple doesn't currently offer fractional shares. This means you have to buy whole shares of a stock, which can be limiting if the stock price is high. This isn't necessarily a hidden fee, but it's a limitation to consider, especially for those starting with smaller investment amounts. Finally, it's important to remember that there are always tax implications when you invest. These aren't fees charged by Wealthsimple itself, but they are definitely a cost to factor in. Make sure you understand the tax implications of your investment decisions before you dive in. So, the verdict? Wealthsimple's commission-free trading and lack of account maintenance fees are a big win. However, currency conversion fees and the lack of fractional shares can add up depending on your investing style. The key takeaway? Do your research, understand the fee structure, and choose the Wealthsimple account that best fits your investing needs. By being an informed investor, you can keep those sneaky gremlins at bay and maximize your returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.